If the fuse is damaged, replace it with a spare. Install the filter onto the designated port. Note, if the rubber ring on the filter is missing or damaged, replace it before installation. Remove the pre-installed screws. Install the mounting plate. Install the handle holder. Install the laser pad holder. Connect body vacuum and RF handle. Connect the laser pad to the main unit. Connect face RF handle. Connect body RF handle. Connect 30K and RF handle. Position all the installed handles onto the holders. Remove the plug and insert a new filter. And reinsert the plug securely. Replace the cotton filter regularly. Connect the power cord and activate the power button. Select the required language. Choose Face RF. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the start, stop button to initiate the process. Choose 30K and RF. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. 30K energy level, 3. RF energy level, 3. 30K mode, M1. Press the start, stop button to initiate the process. Choose body vacuum and RF. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. RF energy level, 3. Suction time, 0.5. Release duration, 0.2. The suction duration should exceed the release time. Adjust the suction intensity based on individual tolerance levels. Press the start, stop button to initiate the process. Choose body RF. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the start, stop button to initiate the process. Choose lipo laser. Settings. Time, 20 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Press the start, stop button to initiate the process. Press the start, stop button to stop the operation.